So here's how to fix Apex Legends lag, high ping and packet loss issues and boost your connection speed. So first what you want to do is right click on the start button and then open the terminal as admin, which is pretty much the CMD as admin for Windows 10 or other versions. And in here you want to run the following commands: ipconfig /release, press enter, and then ipconfig /renew, press enter, and ipconfig /flush DNS, press enter. Now we want to close this window. Next you want to open the settings again and then go to network and then go to the VPN section. And in here, if you have any VPN connected, make sure to disconnect it. You should see a disconnect button in here. Otherwise, you want to click on the software where you have, or the external VPN software, and you can terminate it from there or exit the program. Now you can go to the network and internet section again and then click on Ethernet or your Wi-Fi network. Next, you want to edit the DNS for the IPv4. Click on edit. Set the DNS settings to manual, enable IPv4, and use this preferred DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS, 8.8.4.4. Now click on save, and then you can close this window. Next, you want to open the task manager and make sure there is no other apps using the network on the background, which can slow down the game and cause lags. So you want to expand this and click on the network section here to sort the apps by usage of network. And then you want to right click any apps that you don't need or you no longer use while playing the game, and then click on end task to end them. You should do the same for memory and CPU usage. For example, Chrome here is using 2.4 gigs of memory. You want to right click on it and end task to terminate the app. You can also only leave the game running and other apps that you need while playing. Then you can simply close this window, and then we want to make sure that Windows is not downloading updates in the background, which can cause lags and lag spikes. So we want to right click on the start button, and then you can either search for task manager like this, or right click on the taskbar here and click task manager. And we want to go to the services and then click open services. In here we want to search for Windows Update service. Now double click on it, and you can also click on stop if the service status is already running. So you should click stop to stop it, and that will stop downloading updates immediately. You can also switch the startup type to disable to permanently disable Windows updates. You can also leave it at auto to be started automatically the next time you reboot PC. Then you can click on apply and OK. Next, you can close this. Next, what you can do is go to Steam and then go to the Apex Legends, right click, go to properties, and in the general tab in here for the launch options, you want to use the following launch command line options. So we want to paste this: CL enter rep radio 1, CL update rate 128, and CL force preload to 1. These launch options will be in the video description below, so make sure to copy them from there. Now you can simply close this and try to launch the game again. Now to improve your ping further, what you can do is use an external software to reduce the ping, which is the link for it is going to be in the description below if you want to test it out, which is this one. It offers a free trial, so you will simply need to log in with your account and then choose a server to play on. You can either choose automatically or manually, and then connect through that server to the game, and this should generally improve the ping by 20 to 30%. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.